Hi everyone, welcome to Chan Electronics. Today we will be seeing about a logic gates. So, first, what is logic gates? So we will be having AND operation, OR operation, NOT operations. In order to implement these operation, we will be using logic gates. There are different types of logic gates. It can be AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. So we will be seeing each of these gates graphic symbol and its algebraic function and their truth table. So first we will be seeing AND gate. AND gate's graphical symbol is like this. See, we will be having two inputs, anything, it can be either AB, and output is F, where F is A dot B. This will be the algebraic function for AND gate. Then the truth table for AND gate is A, B and output F. So as we know, we have two inputs and it has four different types of combination. It can be either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The output will be, if it is 0, 0, the output will be 0. If it is 0, 1, the output will be 0. If it is 1, 0, the output will be 0. If it is 1, 1, the output will be 1. If we see here, if both the inputs is 1, the output is 1 in the case of AND gate. Then the next gate is OR gate. The graphic symbol of OR gate is like this. Here we will be having two inputs A, B and output, let it is be F. So F is A plus B. This will be the algebraic function of OR gate. So truth table of OR gate is A, B and output F. So four types of combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If any one of the inputs or both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1 in the case of OR gate. So 0, 0, as I said, it will be 0. Since it is B is equal to 1, as one of the input is 1, the output is 1. As A is equal to 1, output is 1. And since both the inputs are 1, the output is also 1 in the case of OR gate. Then the next gate is NOT gate. The algebraic functions of NOT gate is F is equal to X bar or X dash. Here the graphic symbol of NOT gate is like this. We will be having a one input and one output. If it is X, it will be F, where F is the inverted output of X. So if X is 0, the output is 1. If it is 1, the output is 0 in the case of NOT gate. It will be the inverted form of input. Then the next gate is NAND gate. The NAND gate's algebraic symbol is, graphic symbol is like this. It will be having two inputs A, B and the output F, where F is equal to A dot B the whole bar. So as we see here, F is equal to A dot B the whole bar, it has some resemblance with AND gate. As AND gate, algebraic function is F is equal to A dot B, and if we invert the AND gate, we will be getting a NAND gate. As A dot B the whole bar, we will be getting a NAND gate. So NAND gate will be AND gate plus NOT gate. Then the truth table of NAND gate is A, B and the output F. It has four types of combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And here, if both the inputs are 1, the output will be 0 in the case of NAND gate. For other combination, output will be 1. Then we will be going to NOR gate. NOR gate's graphic symbol is like this. We will be having two inputs A, B and output F, and its algebraic function is F is equal to A plus B the whole bar. As we see this function, it has some resemblance with OR gate. So as OR gate's algebraic function is f is equal to a plus b. If we invert this, we will be getting this OR gate. Then the truth table for NOR gate is A, B and the output F. It has 4 types of combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here if any one of the input is 1 or both the inputs are 1, the output will be 0 in the case of NOR gate. So here it will be 1, here it will be 0, here it is 0 and here it is 0. Then we will be going to exclusive OR gate. So exclusive OR gates graphic symbol is like this. We will be having a 2 inputs A, B and output F, where F is equal to A XOR of B. This will be the symbol for XOR, and the truth table for XOR gate is A, B and the output F. So 4 types of combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here if both the inputs are same, the output will be 0 in the case of exclusive OR. Since both the inputs are 0, 0, the output will be 0. Since both the inputs are same, the output will be 0. Here it will be 1. Here the function, it is written as A exclusive B, which is equal to AB bar plus BA bar. Then we will be going to exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate's graphic symbol is like this. So AB input and output F, where F is equal to A exclusive NOR of B. The truth table of exclusive NOR is A, B and the output F. So 4 types of combination will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here if both the inputs are same, the output will be 1 in the case of exclusive NOR. Here A, B, our inputs is 0, 0. Since it is same, the output will be 1. If it is different, the output will be 0. Since it is different, the output is 0. Here both are same, so the output will be 1 in the case of exclusive NOR. Here exclusive NOR is nothing but the inverted form of exclusive OR. So if we have A, F is equal to A exclusive OR of B, if we invert this, we will be getting exclusive NOR. The F is or F of which is nothing but A exclusive of B. It is written as A, B plus A bar, B bar. How we are deriving this function F is equal to A, B plus A bar, B bar, or F is equal to A, B bar plus B, A bar, we will be seeing in upcoming classes. Thank you.